So flowchart, and people who are doing some business analysis and coming from software background might be knowing about flowchart for long, and people who are into quality related stuff also understand flowchart well. But there are many who still wonder what this stuff flowchart means. It is a just simple visualization of the steps needs to be taken to get something done. If you have a process which goes through multiple stages, multiple steps, and might have a decision points in between, and you may want to see it visually by way of some symbols, the flowchart can help you. Many times when you are analyzing a process, you may want to see what is happening inside it. And when you are working in a quality related aspects, you might want to find out what is a process of doing a particular work, because that particular work is generating lots of errors. So you want to understand the detail of that particular work to find out what possibly might be generating all these variances. So a flowchart is a tool which is more about detailed analysis of some sequence of steps to understand how people are performing something. Now, to give you a brief idea, I am plotting a small flowchart, and I am saying that, okay, if I have to book a ticket using a website, it's an airline ticket, how can I plot my steps in the form of flowchart? It's just a simple example, might miss few steps. The idea is not to show you a flowchart of booking a ticket, but idea is to give you some visualization of possibly how flowchart helps in visualizing thing. So it starts with various symbols. You start with something called a symbol to give you a start. That as a PMP exam, you don't have to plot flowchart and you don't have to interpret the flowcharts, but in order to develop a good understanding, you may get help when you see some sample of flowchart. So you start, it's like starting up the ticket booking. You go to a website and you input so you use symbol like this, and you says that you input the date. So you input the date for which you want to travel and other details. So you put all those information here. So system goes, the hourglass comes in your screen, and it goes for searching. So it's the system, the website is searching the availability. So searching the availability and preparing the result for you. And after that, the website shows an output that, okay, options. So it shows you the options for which you can book the ticket. So this is like a symbol to show an output. Now, you may have a decision point if you find a good option. So say I am just writing, you find okay, you find some option okay. Then you go like yes. If no, maybe you want to go back and think of a new date. Think new date, and then you again put an input. So it's like if I don't find the date okay, I will go back and think of something new. If you find okay and repeat the same steps. If you find the things okay, you do a book. You select the option, you book a ticket, and finally the website will show or give you an output, an e-ticket, and your flow gets stopped. So it's a simple way, just to give you an idea how a possibly flowchart can work. For PMP exam, you may get a questions which talks about in what kind of situations you may want to use flowchart. So whenever you want to do a detailed analysis, whenever you want to communicate the complexity of some stage, of some process to many stakeholders, you may use the flowchart.